guys, it is me, Leah here, and today, welcome to my new channel. I figured that I would create a new channel because this channel is my last channel was kind of getting old, and yeah, and there was a lot of hate on it. So today I'm creating a new channel, which is called Leah Inspiration by my favorite YouTuber, Jacksepticeye. Shout out to you, Jacksepticeye. It's amazing how, hope you guys subscribe, comment, like, share with your friends, and yeah, so today we're going to be playing Roblox, and we're going to be playing some Shadowrun. So let's get started. So, I'm going to go to stage 1, and I think we just jump on these. Yeah, that's pretty simple. Oh, yay, we did it. Okay. So click the block below. Oh, wow. Oh, no. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to explain my new channel with you guys. So this is going to be like a bunch of Roblox, Minecraft, whatever games you guys want to see me play on here. But yeah, so I'm really excited for this new channel because I get a lot more subscribers and a lot more, new content. I wanted new content, and that was one of the reasons why I deleted my old YouTube channel. If you subscribe to my old YouTube channel, it was Leah Plays MC, and this one now is Leah Septiceye. So, if you are a subscriber from my old YouTube channel, make sure to sub on this YouTube channel, and I'll sub, I guess, from that one, and turn the bell on, and oh, I just died, no. And turn the bell on and make sure to comment and stuff like that. So today's challenge is to press the like. Today's challenge is to press the like button with your opposite hand. So if you're right-handed, you do it with the left, and if you're left-handed, you do it with the right, etc. Not etc. Why did I say that? Okay. And then also today I'm going to be doing a shout out, even though no one is in the video with me. But today's shout out is Jacksepticeye, because he is amazing and he's the best YouTuber ever. So yeah, shout out to you, Jacksepticeye, if you see this video. You probably won't, but yeah. So I'm just along with the talking, I'm just being really bored and I'm just talking. Okay, so let's get focused on the video. Oh, okay. So I've played, me and my friend have played something similar to this, but I don't think we've played something like this before. Oh shoot, no, I died. By the way, all my videos are kid-friendly. I do not curse in any of my videos I make. So, yeah, kid-friendly. By the way, if you hear me stop talking for a little bit, I have a lollipop in my hand while I'm doing this Shadowrun, and I'm trying not to eat it because I'm talking to you guys, but and by this video will be up, I'll probably be done with the lollipop, and then I'll be like, oh yeah, I can talk now. But I'm just holding it, so yeah, it's fine, guys. That's fine. If you just hear me stopping, yeah. Okay, so today's question of the day, I'm gonna ask, oh, by the way, this is my avatar. And if you guys want to meet me on Roblox, my username is flip4, the number 4, life 92705. So that is my username for Roblox, and if you're a subscriber, and then I can, from your YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, I could just shout you out and go, hey, what's up and give you a shout out. And yeah. So let me know what games you guys want me to play on this channel. Yeah, let me know, or if you just want Roblox and Minecraft. Because I will just do Roblox and Minecraft if you guys just want Roblox and Minecraft. Yeah, so whatever you guys suggest. I'm sorry I can't get any games that cost money, but I have some games that I can play. So yeah, yeah, phone games, phone games. I'm trying to add some humor into my videos by trying to make myself the best comedian I can be, but it is not working as very well as I as I thought it was gonna work. But whatever. Oh my god. I just got stuck. Okay. Anyways, so this obby is really easy, but how is someone on stage 105? I'm zooming in. Okay. How is someone on stage 175? That stage must be hard. Okay, so I'm gonna cut when I get to some longer stages so you guys can see me rage. Just kidding. Okay, I'll be back in a minute, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and why is this in my... Okay, so I am back, guys, and so none of these were making me rage. I just kind of just not very raging, but so I was just thinking, I was like, oh, they're not gonna make me, I'm not gonna cut it forever. But so yeah, today's question of the day is what is your favorite season? Mine is either fall or, oh my god, I'm stuck again. Okay, mine is either fall or summer, because yeah, I like fall because it's cold and nice, and pumpkins. No, some people like fall because pumpkin spice lattes. No, I'm not that kind of person. But yeah, I like also summer because it's fun and it's a really long break that you get to hang out with all your friends and you get a break from school. Oh my god, I just died. Okay. Oh, but that was surprising. I didn't even hit the checkpoint, and I surprisingly got to 30. I don't know how, but okay. Okay. So make sure to subscribe if you are new. Well, I'm new to this channel too, so if you want to subscribe, that would make my day. And yeah, oh my god, no, I keep dying on this level. I'm raging. I'm raging. We're so icy right now. I can't like me. I'm raging. I'm raging. By the way, I didn't say the man wrong because that would be bad if I would say that. I don't even know that map, so I don't even say that backwards. So, okay, guys. So I'm pretty done with this science lab. Yeah, I'm pretty done with it. So, yeah. Oh shoot. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, poop, poop. I hate this stage. Oh, one of my friends joined the game. So guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys, oh god, I'm gonna fall. No, I'm gonna fall. Oh, that's not a very good idea to do my intro on there. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys subscribe, like, comment, rate, share with your friends. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day today. Smile. And bye, Septicans! I don't know what I'm calling my fans yet, so... Oh, I know. Septi Squad. So make sure to become part of the Septi Squad and subscribe. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys have a great day today. So bye!